everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell NFT on Opensea. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you want to sell your first NFT on Opensea, then open up a web browser, go to opensea.io and press enter. Make sure that you log into your account. Once you are, mouse over to the profile icon in the upper right and click on Profile from the expanded menu. From your NFT collections, go ahead and select the NFT that you would like to sell. Give it a click and this will view your NFT on the screen. You'll be able to see a button that says Sell at the upper right hand corner. Click it on. Here, you can choose the price and the type of the sale. Enter the amount that you would like to sell into the text box and right where it says duration, you can set a duration for the sale. The default options are 1 day, 3 days, or 1 month, but you can also set a custom duration using the calendar provided beneath. Finally, click on Complete Listing. Then you'll be asked to confirm your sale by signing a transactions, follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be good to go. That is how you can easily sell NFT on Opensea, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.